Hi, and welcome to the Bernhard Museum Living History program. Today is going to be a great day for you and your student, but we need a little bit of your help. Before you come, your teacher will assign you to one of 5 stations. So make sure that you watch this instructional video and then find the instructional video for your specific station. And then you'll be ready for the day. To maintain a period atmosphere of 1889 on the Bernhard family farm, we recommend that you and your student wear period attire. It's not gender specific, and we won't turn anyone away for not having it, and you'll most likely have whatever you need in your closet. Long skirts, blouses, trousers, and shirts are all things that you can wear to fit in 1889. When you come, make sure you look at the weather report. Rain or shine, we'll be outside, and if you need boots, jackets, or hats, make sure that you bring them. Please be sure to arrive 15 to 20 minutes before your student's school is scheduled to arrive. This way, you'll have time to get acquainted with your station and get any notes that you're going to need for the day. Park in the fairgrounds parking lot, which is just past the museum entrance. Our museum lot is closed during living history for student safety, and our front parking spaces are reserved for volunteers. If you have any questions about accessibility, please make sure that you speak to a staff member when you first arrive. Get all the things that you'll need out of your car and get ready to have a fun day. When you walk down from the parking lot to the museum gate, a staff member or volunteer will be waiting for you at the chain. Sign in and let us know what station you've been assigned to. We'll give you any notes about the day and take you to your station. The property consists of the main house, the winery building, the summer kitchen, the wine processing building, and the carriage barn. You will stay at your station the whole day, and a group of students will rotate through. Bathrooms and a drinking fountain are located behind the house near the baking station. This time in the morning is for you to prepare. Please check out your station, see what the students will be making, where your materials are, and let us know if you have any questions. There will be time after the program for you to take photos and talk with other parents. When students first arrive, we'll line up at the chain and we'll go over a few rules for 1889. And then we'll go over onto the porch and line up for a group photo. Please feel free to take pictures of your student's class and throughout the day. But remember that this activity is your #1 priority, and you'll need to be available for guidance and help during each station. After the group photo, one of the parents from each station will walk students to their first activity. Each group will have anywhere between 5 and 12 students per rotation. You'll have 20 to 30 minutes at each station, and depending on the size of your school, you'll have 5 to 6 groups. We'll take a break in the middle of the day for lunch. Please stay with your student. Lunch is between 20 to 30 minutes, and if you leave the property, you will most likely miss the start of the next station. Whenever you receive a new group, sit down and go over introductions. Then read your historical background for each activity, which is located on the laminated instruction sheet. It's important to start with history so students understand what they're doing, and if anyone is running late from a station, they don't miss any of the actual activity. Staff and volunteers will be walking around the property the entire day. We'll give you halfway warnings, we'll give you 5-minute warnings, and we'll ring the triangle at the end. If you need any help, flag one of us down. We're always happy to help. When your group is done with their activity, they must remain with you until we ring the triangle and one adult escorts them to their next station. Please make sure you're watching your group and that they're not running, climbing, or playing on equipment. If you need help with your timing or ways to keep students engaged, just ask. We like to remind students that it's 1889 on a family farm. They didn't get to play at all until all of their chores were done, so they need to make sure that they're working until the end of every station. And parents, this applies to you too. If you're engaged, the students are engaged. I understand that we all need to take phone calls, we have work and family matters, but if something comes up, please step away and come right back to your group. Please remember, if you have any questions throughout the day, to always ask a staff member, a volunteer, or your teacher. We want you to have fun and to remember this day for years to come. Thank you.